My life has started changing already because they made me forever the breadwinner that I've been struggling to be for the past couple of years. My name is V.S.L Olanrewaju. I'm a graphic designer. I'm an illustrator too. I do graphic design, I do illustrations, and I've been working for clients for a long time. In fact, I have over 2 decades of experience. I used to be very skeptical about a lot of things. I was at first skeptical. I'm the type of person that before you can, even in the movies, before you can really impress me, you could try. But when I saw the punchlines, in fact, the Lord will bless Mr. Richard and his team. He knows what people really need, and that's the type of person we need to really take us there. He said, I will take you hand in hand, because he knew that that is the stage that people fall out. He never left anyone behind. As you can see, I'm putting on a smile because it's been so fulfilling that my life has started changing already, because they made me forever the breadwinner that I've been struggling to be for the past couple of years. This is what I've always prayed for. I want to work smart. I want to work digitally to monetize my skills, my talent. And today, this is fulfilled. I want to recommend this to everybody out there, that if it is doubt, you've never done it as much as I've done. If it's been skeptical, I'm number one. If it's been finicky, I'm number one. But for me to be captured in this program, then you can join. I would recommend this even to my enemies, to come and be part of the Millionaire Club. For me to stand here, to sit there, I'll be telling you that, look, this is the best program ever. It's because, one, the person that organized this program in the name of Mr. Richard Olanrewaju is God sent, is down to earth, is everything. 2, he has a team that everyone synchronized like one big family. And 3, his passion to make sure that everybody gets more than what they bargained for positively is amazing. So the reason why I joined, in addition to all those, is that he knows his ways around this digital knowledge that he imparts to people. So I want to say thank you to everyone, Mr. Richard, Mr. Jerry, Olu, Dan, wonderful team that you got here, and the Lord will continue to bless you. I will come for more courses so that I can be more. If I'm making millions, then I want to turn it to billions, and that's the truth. God bless you. Thank you.